my channel Technical Indian Creative. So have you seen zebra crossing on roads? So if we paint that zebra crossing on roads by our hand, then it will take more time to paint that zebra crossing. But so to reduce that time, today I have made road painting robot, which is controlled by Bluetooth. So I have the Bluetooth LC05 module and it is connected to Arduino. So what will happen is when I will press the buttons in the app, then the car will function as per written in the code. So let's see how it's here. This is my car and this is the app. So in this I am using the forward and the reverse button for the forward and reverse, and select button is used to make the gripping mechanism down, and start is used to make the lifting mechanism up. So and the X button is used to stop. So here the car is going forward, reverse, and as I pressed X it stopped. Now I will click on start and the paintbrush is now down and it will start the work of painting the zebra crossing. See, it has done painting of the zebra crossing.
The codes are int iron1 lift is equal to 13, int iron2 lift is equal to 12, int iron3 is equal to 11, int iron4 is equal to 10. Character data is equal to 0. Then void setup pin mode iron1 lift comma output iron2 lift comma output iron3 iron4 output serial dot begin 9600. Then void loop if serial dot available data dot read, then serial dot println. So these are the codes to activate Bluetooth. Then if data is equal to 1, so if I press 1 on my Bluetooth on my phone, then the car will go in forward direction, analog right and 3,0 analog right and 4,174. So I have controlled the speed of motor. So then if data is equal to 2, then reverse analog right and 3,174 analog right and 4,0. Then if data is equal to 5, then the lifting mechanism will go up, digital right and 1 lift high and iron 2 low. Then if data is equal to 6, then the lifting mechanism will go down, that is digital right and 1 low, digital right and 2 high. Then if data is equal to 9, then stop, digital right and 1 lift low and 2 lift low, analog right and 3,0 analog right and 4,0.
If you have any doubt regarding this video, then please DM me on my Instagram handle. Link is given in the description box. Please do like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.